I'm going to show you in this video how to add reverb to your audio. So it's quite simple. What you have to do is go to effects, and here make sure you write. So to add echo and reverb, we have to use this effect. And if you can't find effects here, because we can close the panel really easy, we have to go to window and effects. And here, please write surround reverb. Yeah, this one, surround reverb. Grab it and drag it onto your video. And now here, what you have to do, this is what we have right now. As you can see, it's not loud. And now select the video, and that's what you're gonna have here. Click on edit and just increase gain. And now, as you can see, but what we have to do here is actually click on gain. So actually press on your keyboard gain, press on your keyboard G, so you can open auto gain. And now here increase by 13. And now is much louder. Yeah, now that sounds way better. So remember to head over here, and here you have other options, but that's not what we want. The only thing we want is just to increase the gain. And now for balance, other things here, no other options here, but you want a cathedral effect, which is selected here, and you can also try large console or that, but here that's what you have to do pretty much. And I really hope you found this video helpful. Leave your thoughts in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.